So how to manipulate text using CSS. So to begin with, the first one is text decoration. Probably you used this with anchor tag where you wanted to remove the underline by doing text decorations to none. So as you can guess, it has values like underline, overline, and line through. You can also apply 2 or more values the same text decoration property to have beautiful effects like this. It used to have a property value of blink, but it is no longer available, so rest in peace. But you can get the same functionality using CSS animations like this. The second one in the list is letter spacing. So it defines the spacing between the characters of a word. You can also have negative values to contract the text. The next one is font style. It has values like normal, italic, and oblique. There is no much visual difference between the italic and oblique, but here is what I found from Stack Overflow, and I'll put a link down in the description for your reference. And that's all for font style. And here's the big thing, which is text shadow. It accepts 4 parameters. The first one is shadow in X, second one is shadow in Y direction, third one is blur radius, and the fourth one is color. And one more thing to remember is that you can apply more shadows, 1 or more shadows in one text shadow property separated by commas. Now let me show you how I can make a stroke using this property. For that we need 4 shadows, all separated by commas obviously. And here we have this text stroke, but you can see that it is not that perfect. So for that we have a text stroke property, but it comes with a WebKit vendor prefix, but all the modern browsers support this feature. So it accepts 2 values, which is width and color. For that I'll be using 3 pixel and color of red, and you can see that it is perfect. So the last one in the list is a text as a clipping mask for the background. So I have this beautiful image sky.jpg. So I'll set this background image and with the background size of cover. Now let's set the background clip to text so that we can have this actual effect. Now it is not showing up anything. That's because the color of this text is overriding the background. So to avoid this, what I can do is just set the opacity of the color to 0. So I can do that. So we can do this by setting the color to RGBA 0, 0, 0, and 0, where the last 0 is the opacity